Hey everyone, welcome to our Selenium training. Before we jump in, I want you to imagine this. You are a tester and your job is to check a website after every tiny update. Imagine clicking through hundreds of pages, filling forms, verifying data every day, multiple times a day. Exhausting, right? What if you could teach a robot to do all that for you? That's exactly what Selenium lets you do. It's like having a super accurate assistant that never gets tired and repeats your test perfectly every single time. So, what exactly is Selenium WebDriver? In simple words, Selenium is a powerful open source tool for automating web browser. It lets you write code to simulate what a real user would do, like clicking buttons, typing in search boxes, navigating pages, but automatically. This means instead of doing tedious testing manually, you write script once and Selenium runs them again and again for you, faster and without errors. Why should you care about Selenium? Great question. Why invest your time learning Selenium? Because modern web applications change fast. Teams deploy updates daily, sometimes multiple times a day. Manual testing can't keep up. Selenium helps you speed up testing so releases happen faster, catch bugs before users do, focus on more interesting work, not repetitive clicking. What makes Selenium special? Here's the cool part. Selenium works with all major browsers: Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Safari, you name it. Many programming languages: Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, JavaScript, whatever you are comfortable with. Multiple platforms: Windows, Mac, Linux, even cloud environments. Integration with your workflow: Jenkins, GitHub, Action, Maven, TestNG, automation fits right in. Breaking down Selenium, the three big pieces. Selenium isn't just one tool, it's a family. Selenium ID, a simple browser plugin where you can record your clicks and interactions. Great for quick prototyping or learning the basics. Selenium WebDriver, the powerhouse, lets you write real code that controls browser. This is where the real automation magic happens. How does WebDriver work? Imagine telling your browser what to do in a language it understands. WebDriver acts like a translator. Your test scripts talks to WebDriver, which sends instructions to the browser's driver, like Chrome driver or Gecko driver, to perform actions just like human would. Once you master Selenium, you can run hundreds of tests in minutes instead of hours or days. Ensure your website works perfectly across all browsers. Get immediate feedback when something breaks so you can fix it fast. Impress your team by automating tasks that used to take forever. What Selenium isn't perfect at? No tool is perfect, right? Selenium doesn't handle visual UI checks well. It's not great at catching layout issues or colors. For that, you might combine it with tools like Applitools or Percy. Also dynamic, fast-changing web pages require smart coding and synchronization. But don't worry, we'll tackle those challenges together. What's next? Ready to get your hands dirty? Next, we'll set up your Selenium environment, step by step. Then write your first test script, a simple test to open a browser and click a button. By the end of this course, you will be automating like a pro, saving time and making your testing bulletproof. Here's a quick recap. Selenium automates browser to mimic user actions. It's free, supports many browsers and languages, and integrates with your workflow. Selenium WebDriver is heart of automation. Learning Selenium means faster, smarter testing. Tired of 1000 plus random questions that don't help? The Selenium WebDriver practice test on Udemy is built to make you interview ready fast. Only the most important concepts, MCQs with simple layman-friendly explanations. No fluff, just smart, focused prep. Share this with anyone looking for the right help and course guidance.